All right, so we've got On the Shortness of Life by Seneca. I really like this book. It's very short, very quick read, but it's filled with tons of gems. I mean, I've underlined, I don't know if you can see it, but I think you can, but I've just underlined just so much stuff in the book. And, you know, death is not really something a lot of us like to think about. But if we want to live a fulfilling life, and we want to find meaning and we want to find joy in our lives, it's very important that we reflect on life and that we reflect on the shortness, on death and on the shortness of life. And so I have a quote I'll read really quick. And it says from the book, The Problem, Paulinus, is not that we have a short life, but that we waste time. Life is long and there is enough of it for satisfying personal accomplishments if we use our hours well. But when time is squandered in the pursuit of pleasure or vain idleness, when it is spent with no real purpose, the finality of death fast approaches. So a lot of us, in not thinking about death, that's sort of an anxiety that we're sort of running from. And in not thinking about it, we're thinking about it. It's always there. And we're running from death, and it's following us everywhere we go. But when we reflect on it, and we accept it, we can sort of, in a way, find peace. We come to peace with death, and we can find peace here now, knowing that, like, yeah, we're gonna die sometime. It is what it is, and I'm gonna live my life to the fullest. But also living your life to the fullest, it involves finding peace now, coming to terms with death, so that you can reflect on your life and see, okay, am I living my life the way that I want? And obviously, I can go into more detail, but highly recommend this book, honestly, to anyone. But if anyways, I want to say a ton of stuff, but I highly recommend this book.